Now I have a challenge for you guys. Go get your cell phone, record some audio with it, and design your own explosion using only those sounds. When you're done, upload the audio file to either SoundCloud or YouTube, and tweet the link to me with the hashtag #GoRecord. I and the audio team at Gearbox Software will take a listen and pick our favorite sound to win. The winner will get access to the sample library that I've been making since this show began, and a shout out on Twitter so everyone can hear their sound design. So get out there and go record. Thank you so much to the dedicated patrons again who support this show.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Otis, you crazy mother.
Okay. Okay. Okay, that looks good. Okay, go ahead and hit record.
You already hit record.
Oh, I did?
Yeah.
Well, let's blow some shit up. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay.